Hello, I'm David Thawley, and along with my wife Julie, we have been financial advisors for over 30 years, and we have worked with literally thousands of clients. Today I'd like to talk to you about an amazing product called Living Benefits. We're going to talk about life insurance, but we're going to talk about life insurance from the perspective of what if you live. I want to ask you a question. If you suffered a heart attack tomorrow, would it be okay if your life insurance company sent you a check? Well, of course, yes, absolutely. Well, that's what Living Benefits can do. There are three types of living benefits. There's critical illness, chronic illness, and terminal illnesses. These three benefits are part of a new modern type of life insurance. And these benefits are automatically included in every policy that we market. And then very attractively, they are offered at no additional premium. That means that the life insurance company doesn't charge anything extra. Whatever the normal cost of the life insurance is, that's what the premium is. These are literally a no-cost benefit. Let's start off talking about critical illness. We see here a list of illnesses that I think we would all agree are serious illnesses. We wouldn't want to suffer these. We wouldn't want to see our loved ones suffering these, but we all know people who have suffered these types of illnesses. And I'd like you to understand that these critical illnesses are not available in every state or with all carriers that we work with. So how does it work? Let's assume that you own a policy that includes these benefits, and then unexpectedly you suffered a moderate heart attack and you end up in the hospital, maybe in the intensive care unit. Maybe you have to have surgery. Well, the good news is that modern medicine is keeping more of us alive. The bad news is that you may end up owing the hospital and the doctors thousands and thousands of dollars that were not covered by your health insurance. So what do? Well, you can now go to your life insurance company and file a claim. They're going to get your medical records, they're going to interview the doctor, they're going to satisfy their need to know that you in fact suffered a heart attack, and then here's what's going to happen. The life insurance company is going to write you a check. And the question is, where is that money coming from? And what you need to understand is that you can now accelerate the payment of a portion of your life insurance proceeds before your death. But that means for the first time in your life, you can receive a portion of your life insurance without having to die. Three things about that check. First, it's payable to you, it's yours. Two, you don't have to pay it back, it's not a loan. And three, in most cases, it's income tax-free money. Now, many people ask the question, how much will I receive? And that's going to be based on your age, based on the severity of the illness, and the amount of coverage that you have. The second benefit we want to talk about is called chronic illness. This is based on something called daily living activities, things that we as human beings do every day. There are 6 of them: bathing, dressing, toileting, transportation, continence, and eating. Well, if we are ill to the point that we are not totally able to take care of ourselves, we need some type of assisted care. Maybe we have to go into an assisted care facility, maybe even into a nursing home. Well, if we are unable to perform just any 2 of these daily living activities, and we've been doing that for at least 90 consecutive days, we can now again go to the life insurance company and file a claim. And under the same concept of money coming from our life insurance policy, the life insurance company will again write us a check, except now they'll write us a check on a monthly basis for up to a maximum of 50 months. And again, the amount we're going to receive is based on that same criteria. The third benefit is terminal illness. This one is somewhat self-descriptive. If we're diagnosed with a terminal illness with a life expectancy of less than 24 months, again, we can go to the life insurance company and file a claim, and under the same concept of receiving a portion of our life insurance proceeds before our death, the life insurance company is going to send us a check. So what do we want to do with that money? Well, these funds can be used for anything you want to do. Maybe you want to make sure that you pay off your medical expenses. Some people may want to seek alternative treatment, maybe even go outside of the country. Other people want to live life to the fullest. They put together a bucket list. Others will say, I want to pay off our home. And even others would say, we want to make sure that we have college funding set up for our children or our grandchildren. The thing to understand is that living benefits now give us options and choices we've never had before. They give us and provide us a security blanket of protection to help us avoid a potentially financially disastrous time. Get back together with the agent that invited you to watch this video. Thank you.